Hello everyone, you are welcome to my screen and thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me on this live stream. So without wasting much time, so let's kickstart the analysis on Euro USD. This is on the 4-hour time frame on my chart right here. On my last on my last live stream analysis, I predicted the Euro USD should break out from this recent high. If price can break out from this high right here, is coming to attempt this trend line for the third attempt. And as you can see right here on the 4-hour time frame, we have this first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line, and right here price is definitely coming to attempt it for the third attempt. And if price can break out from the third attempt, we should see the Euro USD coming to this resistance level again. Now, from our analysis, we can see that the Euro USD on the weekly time frame, let me take you guys back to the weekly time frame to see what is happening. On the weekly time frame, we can see that right here, price has hit this strong level of resistance. It came for the first attempt, it was rejected. It came again for the second attempt, it was still rejected. Price break out from this level. It break out, retest, attempt this resistance level, could not break through, pull back again to the support rejected it again to the upside. So now on the weekly time frame, we can see that the Euro USD on the weekly time frame is in a range. The Euro USD on the weekly time frame is in a range. After a massive move, there will be a time where the market will enter in a range. So this is normal. So now since we have seen this, that Euro USD is in a range from the weekly time frame, so let's come to the daily time frame to see any buy or sell opportunity that we can jump in. Now right here on the weekly time frame right here, we can also see that both the weekly and the daily are both saying the same thing. Price come right here, it break out, it tested, it push up to this resistance, could not break through, come back to support again, could not see breakthrough. It attempted this level right here and price dumped to downside. So as you can see right here now, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. We have a change of trend right here, and price was expected to to continue going to the downside, but that did not happen. Price break out from here, giving it what, a high, a higher low. We are supposed to continue going up again to attempt this high, but that did not happen. The market could not resist, the market could not break out from this resistance, and the sellers drive the price back down. They took the momentum from the buyers and they pushed the price back down. And as you can see, we have a sell momentum right here. So since we have seen this on the daily time frame right here, and also we have this trend line touch as well. We have this trend line touch from right here. We have this first trend line, we have the second touch point trend line. So right here, hopefully price can use this second touch trend line to break out from this position right here. I take that again. We have this first touch point line, we have the second touch point. So upon the third, price should break out from here. As you can see right here, we have a counter trend line. So if we can see a daily candle break out from this trend line right here, price will definitely come to attempt this resistance level again. So coming to the 4-hour time frame right here. So right here on the 4-hour time frame right here, 4-hour time frame is where we come to see more details of the information that we see on the daily from the daily time frame. So as you can see, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low, we have a lower high. So we have a lower low, we have a lower high, and we have a lower low. So right here now, my decision right here is to see candlestick break out from this high right here, break and close outside this resistance right here. So as you can see right here, price breakout, we pull back, we have a lower low, we have a lower high. We have a lower low, we have a lower high. Price come around again to attempt this resistance, but that level was rejected. The sellers defended that level and they drive the price back down. And as you can see right here, we have clusters of candle right here, moving in a sideways. And the buyers are trying to break out from this resistance, and the sellers were pushing it back down. So so right here, if we can see a breakout right here, a full body, a full 4-hour candle breakout from this resistance right here, if this level is taken out, we should expect something like this: breakout, 4-hour candle breakout, a retest is coming to attempt this resistance, this trend line again for the third attempt. If the third attempt can break out from here, price is coming to this level right here. But if this third touch right here could not break out, it's coming down. This is my bias on Euro USD. If this can happen right here, we want to see 4-hour candle breakout with test come to attempt this trend line for the third attempt. We have this first touch point of this trend line right here. We have the second touch point, and right here we have the third touch point. Price will come for the third attempt. We have the breakout, retest, attempting for the third attempt. If the third attempt could not break out, it will sell down to attempt this trend line again. But if the third touch, but if it can happen like this, breakout, retest, breakout from here, also retest it, and boom, to the downside. To the upside. So so we should expect one of that two to happen. If price can come right here to attempt this trend line for the third attempt, if it should break out, it's coming up. But if it should come right here for the third attempt and it was unable to break out, it's coming down. It's coming down right here. But for me, I want the Euro USD to go to the upside because the trend from the higher time frame is bullish, and even though on the weekly time frame, price is moving in a sideways movement after a long time trading, so it is normal for the trend to enter inside the range. So, but for now, on the weekly time frame, for now, we just have to trade how it is. So breakout from here is coming here. If it should come here for the third attempt, could not break above it, is coming down. So so whichever way we trade it. So now the next one on my list, which is the Gbpusd. So so right here, both okay, now on the Gbpusd on the 4-hour time frame, we can also see that even right here too, we have Gbpusd as breakout from this resistance level and is testing this resistance. And is testing this trend line right here. We have the first touch point, we have the second touch point, we have the third, and we have the fourth. We have multiple touches on this trend line right here. This is a strong trend line. Price is reacting on this trend line and is reacting. The buyers are attempting to break out, but the sellers were rejecting the price right here. Now from my analysis on Gbpusd, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a lower low, lower high, and lower low. Price is supposed to continue going down to create a new lower low. But unfortunately, it turned around, break out from this high right here. We have a 4-hour candle break out from here, right here. This resistance level, price has break above it, and we have 4-hour candles right here. If we can get a breakout right here, if this trend line, if this touches right here, if the sellers can successfully take the price, can successfully take momentum from the buyers, Gbpusd will dump. But if they can break out right here, I want to see a breakout right here. I want to see price break out from from this high right here. Now this will be my decision. This will be my deciding factor on GBPUSD. If I can see a 4-hour candle break above this level right here, above this level right here, I will take a long position. A breakout from here, like so, breakout, retest, boom. Price can still come back down to come sweep the liquidity right here, but at least I want to see 4-hour candle breakout from here. If a 4-hour candle can break out from this high right here, then I'll be confident that this level will hold for a buy. Then I'll be confident that this level will hold for a buy. Please, if you are joining this video, please type in the comment section. Please, if you enjoyed this video, if you found this video interesting, please type here in the comment section, and please smash the subscribe button too. Okay, so so let's continue right here. I want to see 4-hour candle break out and close, breakout, retest, boom, to the upside. So for now GBPUSD is either a breakout, is either a breakout from this high or a breakdown. So so that is that on GBPUSD. So that is that on GBPUSD, and also looking at GBPUSD from the daily time frame, we can also see that GBPUSD is in a range too as well. GBPUSD too is in a range. You can see right here, it's in a range. So right here, but right here, if we can get a breakout, if we can get a breakout from here, GBPUSD will push up, and if it can't, it's coming down. So so whichever way. So now let's look at an AUD/USD. Okay, let's come to the higher time frame for direction, to see clear direction of the market. So now on AUD/USD, right here, now on AUD/USD, we can see that this AUD/USD right here is bearish. It has been pushing to the downside, and also we have this first touch point, we have the second touch point trend line, we have this third touch point trend line right here, and finally we have a breakout from this resistance. Let me adjust it well. So finally we have a breakout from this resistance right here. A breakout, the test has happened on the weekly time frame. So now AUD/USD is pointing to the upside. AUD/USD is pointing to the upside. From the weekly time frame, we can see that we are no longer in a downtrend. We are no longer in a downtrend anymore. We are facing up right now. So as you can see, we have the trend. The trend has been bearish for a long time. We have multiple touches. We have the first touch point, we have the second touch point, and upon the third touch point, the AUD/USD has break out from this trend line right here, and even this resistance level, price has break and close above it. So it has break out, retest, and boom to the upside right here, and it's facing to the upside. So coming to the daily time frame. So on the daily, time frame right here, to see the immediate trend that we can use to jump in for a buy. So right here now we have a breakout with test right here. So now so now as you can see right here now, what is holding the AUD price from blasting to the upside is this minor level of resistance, and if the level of resistance is taken out, if this level of resistance is taken out right here, AUD/USD will be free to push to the upside, and the next level target on AUD/USD is 0.75200. So that will be the next level target on AUD/USD, provided we can see a daily candle breakout right here, and that will push price to the upside, and that will push the price to the upside right here. So as you can see, like I've said, we have breakout with test, pull back again, created this high, could not be pull back, come again to attempt this resistance level again, could not still break through, pull back again. Then upon the third attempt, price on the daily time frame, price is currently testing that resistance right here. So if the daily candle can break above this resistance, I repeat, if the daily candle can break above this resistance well with a full body candle, I want to see a full body daily candle break above this resistance right here. At least 80% daily candle should break out from here. Then that will give me confidence that this level is will likely to hold for a buy opportunity. So now let's come to the 4-hour time frame. We have seen it from the higher time frame that AUD USD is bearish. It has break out from the trend line and also break out from a resistance level. It has also break out and retest on the weekly time frame, and we have a weekly engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle. If 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 the weekly candle can close, if the weekly candle can close with a bullish engulfing candle, then on the lower time frame side will be a buy opportunity. So all we just have to look for will be buy opportunity right here. So like I've said, this was the information that we got, that we see on the daily time frame. We have this first attempt, it was rejected. We have the second attempt, it was rejected. We have, and upon the third attempt right here, and okay, I think that again, we have first attempt, second, third, and upon the fourth attempt, price breakout from here. We have a full body candle, 4-hour body candle. So now if I am to go long on AUD USD right here, if I am to go long on AUD USD right here, I want to see a breakout right here, a retest right here, breakout and retest, and I want to see a good retest right here. Let price pull back to this resistance level right here to retest this level right here, and AUD USD will push to the upside. So now if I should measure it from this level of from this level to the level target, that should be around 400 pips. 400 pips, 400 pips is about to blow out on AUD USD. 400 pips is about to blow out on AUD USD, provided this level hold. I want to see a breakout with test and push to the upside. I want to see a breakout with test and push to the upside. 400 pips on AUD USD from this level to the next level target, we should expect 400 pips. Hope if this trade should go well, good. That would be nice. So so that is that on the analysis. If you found this video interesting, please please subscribe to this channel. It will help me to grow. So drop a like and comment, and put a comment in the comment section what you think about your analysis. Drop your analysis as well. So this is where I will draw the curtain on this live stream today. So thank you for watching to this very end. So see you in the next one. So bye for now.